Military technologies are advancing at an unprecedented pace, and Turkey is at the forefront. Turkey's new robotic military technologies have shocked even the United States and China. Laser weapons, combat drones, and advanced missile systems are already changing the rules of the game. Meanwhile, active developments continue worldwide, from powerful artillery systems to innovative combat robots. In this video, you'll see real combat solutions that are already in use or will soon be deployed on the front line. Korkut is a dual-vehicle short-range air defense system. The first vehicle, KKA, uses sensors to identify aerial threats within 70 kilometers. The second, SSA, eliminates those threats with twin 35mm cannons and airburst munitions. With a maximum range of 4 kilometers, it's ideal for protecting troops and facilities. The airburst shells are programmable to explode near targets for maximum effectiveness. Korkut fires at a rate of 1,000 rounds per minute, providing dense coverage. Its radar and fire control are fully automated, allowing fast reaction times. Ammunition types can be switched in 15 seconds to adapt to changing threats. The system can operate independently or be integrated into a layered defense network. Its amphibious variant allows deployment in riverine and coastal environments. Operators have praised its ease of use and minimal maintenance requirements. The M134D minigun is fitted with sophisticated electronics, keeping it stable while engaging moving targets from mobile platforms. With a firing range of up to 1.2 kilometers and a rate of 50 rounds per second, it's unmatched among 7.62mm weapons. Its impressive performance is supported by extreme durability. Barrels can withstand approximately 100,000 rounds. Minor repairs can be completed in under a minute, ensuring minimal downtime. It's no surprise that over 30 nations use it on helicopters and various armored vehicles. The M134D's quick-swap barrel design further improves its battlefield efficiency. Additionally, its recoil management system allows for precise fire in short or sustained bursts. Operators value its versatility, whether in close combat or perimeter defense. Its modular design allows for easy integration with remote weapon stations. Recent upgrades have also improved its heat dissipation capabilities for longer engagements. The Mission Master XT is a rugged unmanned ground vehicle tailored for multiple scenarios. In its air defense role, it features the SHORAD module, which includes dual M134D guns, an electro-optical sensor suite, and artificial intelligence-based targeting. This configuration offers a cost-effective method for eliminating drones and can also engage ground-based threats. It's engineered for continuous operation with sustained fire capabilities. The SHORAD system has a maximum effective range of 700 meters. The platform is designed to be air transportable and can be deployed in remote areas with ease. It also supports modular payloads, allowing mission-specific customization. Thanks to artificial intelligence assistance, threat recognition and target acquisition are nearly instantaneous. The system can also share target data with nearby allied units via encrypted communication links. Operators can control the vehicle remotely from up to 5 kilometers away. Turkey's Hisaro is a medium-range air defense solution in the Hisar family, aptly named Fortress. Though seemingly the more modest sibling, it offers impressive range and altitude, up to 25 kilometers and 15 kilometers, respectively. The system is highly mobile, mounted on a 6x6 Mercedes-Benz truck for operational agility. Compared to systems like Patriot or S-400, it's more flexible and easier to deploy in varied terrain. It can intercept unmanned aerial vehicles, helicopters, and air-to-ground weapons. Hisar-O features mid-course guidance with terminal homing via radar. Its radar and command vehicles can network with other defense assets. It's also being considered for naval adaptation on Turkish warships. Recent field trials confirmed a 90% hit probability in simulated saturation attacks. Development is ongoing to integrate Hisar-O with drone swarm detection algorithms. The Smash Dragon platform. This unique suspension system enables drones to carry a sniper rifle, assault rifle, or even a 40mm grenade launcher. Its highly advanced stabilization mechanisms guarantee pinpoint accuracy, even against moving targets. This precision is further supported by integrated machine vision and proprietary tracking algorithms. The system has passed rigorous live fire evaluations with excellent results and is seen as a significant advancement for neutralizing aerial, ground-based, and naval threats. It can be integrated into a variety of unmanned aerial vehicles, both fixed-wing and rotary, offering unmatched flexibility. Its plug-and-play nature also reduces setup time in combat environments. Field operators report impressive reliability even under harsh weather conditions. Military analysts see the system as a major step toward autonomous precision firepower. Future versions may also incorporate advanced thermal imaging and artificial intelligence-driven threat recognition. A standout system from Turkey is the Alka directed energy weapon. This flexible solution merges radar, electronic warfare tools, and laser capabilities to detect, jam, and destroy a wide spectrum of targets. One of its primary applications is neutralizing hostile drones. The core unit can track up to 100 different targets at once, which is a testament to its processing power. Its laser can slice through 10 millimeters of steel plating and disable improvised explosive devices remotely. With a current operational range of 1.5 kilometers, future versions are expected to have greater reach and destructive power. Alka is also being evaluated for protection of critical infrastructure. It's portable enough to be mounted on ground vehicles or deployed as a stationary turret. Trials have shown that it can operate continuously for extended durations without performance degradation. Karaoke is a Turkish portable anti-tank missile system with a 2.5 kilometer range. That's an upgrade from its original range of 1.5 kilometers, enhancing battlefield flexibility. Despite its reach, it weighs just 16 kilograms, making it easy to carry. It features a fire-and-forget system that guides the missile after launch. The dual-stage solid-fuel motor allows use in tight spaces, including urban combat. Karaoke supports top attack mode, targeting a tank's most vulnerable areas. It has been combat-tested, successfully destroying retired M47 tanks. Besides Turkish forces, the system is now in demand abroad, including in Malaysia. Its portability, accuracy, and lethality make it an attractive option for modern armies. The Gauss EU-8 Avenger is the most powerful 30mm rotary cannon. Some say its recoil could stop the A-10 Thunderbolt II mid-air. In truth, engineers have confirmed that the force is about half the aircraft's engine thrust, not insignificant, but manageable. The cannon features 7 rotating barrels, capable of firing up to 3,900 rounds per minute. For practicality, 150-round bursts are recommended. Its effective range is 1.2 kilometers, making it ideal for close air support missions. Each round is designed to penetrate heavy armor, including tank roofs and bunkers. The cannon is tightly integrated with the A-10's fire control system for pinpoint targeting. Ammunition can be reloaded quickly during combat operations, minimizing downtime. It has also been tested against naval targets with promising results. The Ju-8's performance continues to set the benchmark for aircraft-mounted cannons worldwide. Drone gun Mark IV units resemble something straight out of a science fiction film, yet they are real and deployed in the vital domain of drone combat. What distinguishes the Drone Gun Mark IV is its portable build. It can be handled with one hand, weighing only 3.2 kilograms including the battery. This makes it incredibly practical for soldiers in high-mobility missions, where speed and agility are critical. Despite being lightweight, it delivers a strong impact, effectively neutralizing a wide variety of drone threats. The Drone Gun Mark IV works within the industrial, scientific, and medical and global navigation satellite system frequency bands, and can neutralize drones from as far as 1 kilometer. It is also efficient against drone swarms, capable of jamming control links and signal transmission from several drones simultaneously. This gives units on the ground a much-needed edge when facing coordinated drone attacks. Additionally, the Drone Gun Mark IV can be activated and ready in just 3 seconds, allowing operators to react instantly to sudden threats without losing valuable time. Back in the early 2000s, Turkey's army introduced the GZPT armored personnel carriers. These amphibious units proved reliable, but are now set for modernization. Specifically, 52 vehicles are scheduled for upgrades. Planned improvements include enhancements to suspension, drivetrain, and motor systems, alongside new generation electronics and air conditioning installations. A twin-barrel unmanned turret, adaptable for 7.62, 12.7, and 40mm calibers, will also be added. The modernized version will carry the designation GZPT Tango 1, preserving amphibious traits and reaching speeds of 6.3 km per hour afloat. Upgraded armor kits will increase survivability against modern threats. Digital communication systems will allow better coordination on the battlefield. The overhaul is expected to extend the service life of these vehicles by at least another 20 years. The AHS Crab, Poland's 155mm self-propelled howitzer, exemplifies modern artillery innovation. It can begin firing within 60 seconds of arriving at a new location and relocate in just 30 seconds. A 5-person crew manages its operation, achieving a firing rate of 6 rounds per minute. The howitzer has an effective range of 30 kilometers, delivering high-impact strikes with precision. For short-range defense, it includes a 12.7mm machine gun and smoke grenade launchers. The Crab uses North Atlantic Treaty Organization standard ammunition, simplifying logistics. Its fire control system incorporates global positioning system and inertial navigation for high targeting accuracy. The vehicle is also compatible with advanced artillery shells, including guided munitions. Armor protection allows the crew to survive shrapnel and small arms fire. It has seen combat use in Eastern Europe with favorable reviews from operators. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment with your thoughts on these military technologies, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. See you soon.